Hello friends, welcome to MBA Queries. Today we will discuss about what is strategic management. Strategic management is a set of managerial decision and action that determines the long-range performance of a corporation. It includes environmental scanning, both external and internal, strategy formulation, strategic or long-range planning, strategy implementation, and evaluation and control. The study of strategic management therefore emphasizes the monitoring and evaluating of external opportunities and threats in light of corporations' strengths and weaknesses. This means the management. It tries to reduce the risk of the business through various ways. Basic models of strategic management. Strategic management consists of four basic elements: environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, evaluation, and control. Now, what is environmental scanning? Environmental scanning is the monitoring, evaluating, and disseminating of information from the external and internal environments to keep people within the organization or the corporation. It is a tool that corporation uses to avoid strategic surprises and to ensure long-term health. Here, they scan various things, they monitor everything, then they evaluate various information either from the external environment or from the internal or from the external environment of a corporation. Those who work in that company, they tries to reduce the risk and to avoid various strategic surprises to maintain a good health of an organization. Scanning of external environment variables. The social environment includes general forces that do not directly touch on the short-run activities of an organization, but those can and often do influences in its long-run decisions. These forces are economic forces, technological forces, political legal forces, social culture forces. These means in a short run they don't catch up the things. They need a long run decision or the long run activities. After examining, they can find out what are the problems or they found what does it actually hampers the organization. Now we'll study what is strategy formulation. First of all, keep in mind that strategy formulation means they find out various formulas to implement and reduce the risk. So now let's study. Strategy formulation is the development of long-range plans for the effective management of environmental opportunities and threats, taking into consideration corporate strengths and weaknesses. It includes defining the corporate mission, specifying achievable objectives, developing strategies, and setting policy guidelines. There are four things which they take into consideration is mission, objective, strategies, and policies. Now, what is mission? An organization mission is its purpose or the reason for its existence. It states what it is providing to society. A well-conceived mission statement defines the fundamental unique purpose that sets a company apart from other firms of its type and identifies the scope of company's operation in terms of product offered and market survey. Now, objective. What they set their objectives? Objectives are the end result of the planned activity. They state what is to be accomplished by when and should be quantified if possible. The achievement of corporate objectives should result in fulfillment of an organization's mission or corporation's mission. Strategies. The strategy of a corporation is the comprehensive master plan stating how corporation will achieve its mission and its objective. It maximizes competitive advantages and minimizes competitive disadvantages. The typical business firm usually considers three types of strategy: corporate, business, and functional. Now comes policy. The policy is a broad guideline for decision making that links the formulation of strategy with its implementation. company uses policies to make sure that the employees throughout the firm make decisions and take actions that support the corporation's mission, its objective and its strategies. Now comes third point, strategy implementation. Strategy implementation is the sum total of activities and choices required for the execution of strategy plan by which strategies and policies are put into action through the development of programs, budgets and procedures. Although implementation is usually considered after strategy has been formulated, implementation is the key part of strategy management. Thus, strategy formulation and strategy implementation are the two sides of the same coin. Here, what are the formulas they have applied? Now, they apply in the third step. They start implementing on the various fields where they can check out which is the best for the organization. Now comes fourth point, evaluation and control. It is the process by which corporate activities and performance results are monitored so that actual performance can be measured with the desired performance. This process can be viewed as a 5 points feedback model, such as number 1, determine what to measure, establish standard of performance, measure the actual performance, compare actual performance with standard, take a corrective actions. Here, what the organization do? Here, after implementing the formulas in the various fields, now they evaluate what was the previous performance with the actual performance. They find out is it correct or not. They evaluate and they check out the performances, how it is working. If it works in a better manner, they implement that formula and keep going to make a smooth running of the performance. Thank you.